Before starting this video, I want to inform you that finally our channel has been verified. Now it's time for silver play button. Yes, silver play button. Hope we will get that soon. So keep supporting us. I love you all. Alright, what's up guys? This is Anshmanta. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. Boom. So guys, I'm training since 17 years old and my brother's also training since 15 years old. And now I'm 18 years old and my brother is around 16 years old, okay? So in that time period, we got decent transformation and our height also increased. So guys, I have received many questions that what is the right age for gym? And they have messaged me and they have asked me that I am 15 years old. Can I go gym? Can I train my leg? Can I lift heavy? And after training, will my height increase? So such kinds of things they have asked me. So in this video, we are going to discuss in details. So guys, if you are under 12, then you don't need any gym equipment, okay? You can train at your home with your body weight. You can do push-ups, you can do pull-ups, okay? Or you can involve in any sports, or you can go for running, okay? And the most important things, okay, is your diet. Focus on your diet. So if you are above 12, then you can go for gym, okay? There will be no issue. Yeah, I can understand many parents will not allow their children for gym. You can convince them, okay, or you can make a homemade gym. So guys, if you are training, then make sure that your forms needs to be correct. Don't focus on heavy weight, okay? Focus on your form. And yes, you can train your leg, okay? You can train your shoulder, but make sure that your forms needs to be correct. And choose lightweight, okay? In the beginning time. Yes, and and don't give more stress in your lower back, okay? Focus in your form, then definitely you will grow. And main and most important thing is your diet. In every time, if you want to transform your body, then you need to focus on your diet. So guys, if you are training like this and if you have genetic, then your height will increase definitely. There will be no doubt, okay? So make sure that your forms needs to be correct and choose lightweight in the beginning time and focus on your diet and consider all the everything, okay, what I'm telling in this video. So you will grow, okay? And the conclusion is, if you are above 12, then yes, you can go for gym, okay, and you can train, but focus in your form, focus in your diet, okay, and make sure you lift lightweight, okay, in the starting time, in the beginning time. So that's all guys. And if you have any doubt, if you have still any doubts, then you can follow me on Instagram, okay, and you can directly message me. I can reply. Hope you guys like our video. If you like, then please like our video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Be it guys, love you, take care. This is Anish Fitness and Ashish Fitness behind the camera, over and out. Boom.